Hey everyone, it's Jazzy here from Greenttons doing another Sophie and Toffee Elves box unboxing. This is the November Light Up My World Elves box. It's the premium box. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and while I do it, I'm going to determine whether or not Sophie and Toffee subscription boxes are worth it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we see when we open up the box is they have this really nice book. It actually explains like how to make the items. It gives you all the step-by-steps and how much you're going to need. So I'm going to follow along with what's in the box here, and I'm going to show you everything that's in the regular box compared to the premium box, and then I'll explain all the cost value. So the first thing that they're showing, and by the way, almost everything in this box is exclusive to Sophie and Toffee, so that's the only place you can get it, is their website. So we're gonna open this up first. This I believe is going to be the 3D castle mold. So let me just grab some scissors over here. I'm gonna be really careful because I don't wanna cut through the packaging because there's a silicone mold in here. Okay, yeah. So let's see. So now for this, because it uses a lot of resin, they give you UV resin. This is really a big mold. So you can see how big it is, you know, compared to my hands. And I'm actually going to post some pictures. I'll put some pictures up in the corner here to show you what this looks like when it's finished. This whole Light Up My World theme uses LED lights, which is really cool. So what you'll do is you'll put these LED lights, which I'll show you in just a minute. So this is the 3D Castle silicone mold. So to give you an idea of pricing, this mold alone, if you bought it by itself, it's $29.57. So the whole Sophie and Toffee Elves box is $34.95, and then if you get the premium box like I did, it's $14 more, or $48.95. But I'll put all that on the screen. We'll do a comparison at the end. So now to make this, it's saying that you need to use, and I'm going to flip back to the instruction sheets. It looks like you're going to need 90 grams of UV resin. But in the Sophie and Toffee kit, you get 200 grams. So that's going to give you enough to make the castle, and then another item that's in the box that I'll show you in a minute. So this is a 2-part resin, so you mix equal parts of A and B, and then you mix them until they're clear, and then you pour it in the mold. And then you'll add the lights and all that. So the next thing, also exclusive to Sophie and Toffee, is it says blue LED lights. I received 2 different sets of lights with the premium box, so let's see which ones these are. Ooh, pretty, very cool. So these are obviously the blue ones, and it said these are 25 centimeters long. So what you'll be doing is when you pour your resin in, whether you color or what have you, then you're going to coil the lights inside here. You're going to leave a little transformer outside the resin, of course, and then when it's cured, and I'll put some finished pictures of that up as well. So let me just put that aside. The next item is Dreamy Blue Holographic Flakes. And I have to say, this is a really big bag. Normally you get flakes in those little containers with the screw-on lids, but this is a lot of flakes, and these are super pretty. And then the next item that they give you is the silicone measuring cup. These are actually really awesome for UV resin because after it cures, you can just peel out whatever resin you didn't get out of here, so that way you don't have to wipe it out. So you can just leave it in the cup, leave it with your mixing stick, which is the next item, which I had those just a second ago. Here they are. Just leave it in there, let it cure right in the cup, and then peel it out, and then your cup's clean, ready for the next use. And then the last item in the regular box, so there's 6 items in the regular box, this is the last item, it's 2 mixing sticks. All of these items that I'm showing here are valued at $54.63. So now if I go to the premium items, it adds $14 to my price, but I get all these extra items, and I'll explain what those are worth. So the first item, and only in the premium box, and again, it's an exclusive Sophie and Toffee item. I'm going to try to show you with my hand and my arm how big this is. It's called a snowflake mirror wand mold. So you can make it either as a mirror, or you can even make it as a shaker wand. It's really cool. So this thing is huge. It gives you this snowflake mirror. So when you're done with this, you'll put a mirror in there. If it's an actual mirror, you'll peel the plastic off, and it's self-adhesive on the back. Again, I'll put a photo up of what a finished mirror looks like. And then you get more LED lights. This time you get 60 centimeters of lights because you're going to want to string them all the way around the mirror to light the mirror up. And let's open these up. These, I believe, are rainbow color. Oh, those are cool. I mean, in person, it looks totally different than what you see on video. And you probably saw they were reflecting off the next item, which is winter theme holographic film. These are, you can kind of see when I tilt it, these are really pretty. And these here are shaped exactly like the handle of the mirror. So you'll cut them out, you'll actually place them right on your resin while it's curing, or like maybe a couple hours after when the resin starts to set it up, you can place that on there. And again, I'll show you some still photos of what that looks like. So to give you an idea, these add-on items for $14 that bring it up to the premium box are valued at $32.86. So to answer my question that I was trying to determine, is the Sophie and Toffee Elves subscription box worth it? You bet your sweet 50 it is. You're saving almost $40, so it's a really good deal. I'm gonna put links in my description box below with a $3 coupon off the Sophie and Toffee subscription box and 10% off any items that you may want if you didn't want to buy a subscription box.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please hit the bell notification so you'll always know when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.